So is JPMorgan actually manipulated Bbig prices? And because we have SEC just found JPMorgan had market manipulation almost $1 billion. So if we go here on Bbig, today we did good. We went until almost 8%. Right now we went back a bit. Because in the technical, beside the fundamental, we have kind of important double bottom, and this is confirmed here 30th of December and today the 31 of December. Okay, so right now we have important level of support. That's why we bounce, and we talked about it before. The moment that we broke from this ascending line, we said is bearish. Okay, because we got a lot of rejection near the $3.23, and this is the confirmation of bearish sign and the manipulation that happened. Okay, we have without manipulation, the price should actually bounce and went until the $4 before December end. However, with the manipulation, as we said, the price went down. However, with a lot of position that being bought, that's why we hold and held this level around the $2.40. Okay. So what we should expect after this news and stopping the manipulation, we need at most like 30 million of buying back from the short sellers in order to initiate the squeeze. So if that happened, what I see, the price should actually go here in order the squeeze to initiate, which is the $3.23 this time, and holding the $2.40. Okay, this is important box that we draw here. This will be a big volatility. If we just broke it, the $2.40, we're gonna see a big buying pressure around the $2.14 and above the $2 because it's psychological level. Because if we don't hold, we're gonna see a big gap around the $1.58. This is if the manipulation didn't stop. That's why I always say the fundamental is tricky. Okay, we can control it. However, in the technical is obvious for me. The $3.23 is the initiation for the squeeze. Then we're gonna have a massive jump until the $4 to fill the gap. Then we're gonna see the price for the next year to see the price even go above the $10 if we break the $4.78. Hopefully that was informative. As I said, we discussed Bbig and a lot of stocks here on our Lucrum investing, where we have a lot of alert. You can see it here, Bitcoin options, everything. You can join us on Discord if you like. And as I said, always what you do if the market open, don't just run away and just buy here, buy there. Just take a breather. Okay, and focus on one stock. Don't buy like 5, 6, because this is the new trader, they just jump. They think when they spread their portfolio, they hedge their risk, but this is kind of counterintuitive, because if you go here and there, you never get the profit that you desire. If 10% on 1,000 is nothing, you have to be focused and choose the right stocks. If you can't choose and you don't have a strategy, we can fix that for you in the comment section below if you want to join our Patreon and change that for this year. So without further ado, see you in the next update.